OK，你看 Jordan 开心的。OK，so everybody as usual。你看这个时候 Eleanor 的妈妈走掉了，应该让他们
嗯，晚上去吃饭。
你不要抱了，上课啊。
把那个 Eleanor 妈妈叫回来，这是 Eleanor 的爸爸。今天还没来了，和 Eleanor 的妈妈一起上课。Eleanor 的妈妈也来了，我们今天全部都是爸爸妈妈上课。OK，so now I'm going to just call。我们把那个 Eleanor 的妈妈叫回来，让她做题目。还要代表 Eleanor 参赛啊！我们看看今天谁最快，好不好？谁做的题最多？这老厉害了，真的不一定有 Eleanor 做的快的哟，对不对？那怎么人走了呢？我去把他叫回来。我去把他叫回来。
又听不见。
听不见吗？我听得见啊。
可以了，好了，你能听见我们说话是吧？
我能
在等。
好了。
啊，好来来。
听不见了，又描述了半天了。
现在好了。
现在好了是吧？好了 ，OK。好 ，Eleanor 妈妈，请你自己把笔和纸都准备好，今天你要代表 Eleanor 做题的啊。OK，做好以后要告诉我们的。OK，everybody，哎，小朋友们加油！打败啊，听到吗？
但是这个笔没了。有啊，
赶快去拿一下。
对啊，一节。我开始上，那你拿1千里是吧？
不能让 Eleanor 妈妈赢了啊。然后 Eleanor 到时候回来看录像的时候，就会看到当妈妈这一段。他说啊，怎么这么快的？以后别说我。OK，Are you ready, boys and girls and mommies？ 你看，他又跑了。这个人怎么这样 ？OK，so 5 minutes, Jordan。哎，为什么讲 Jordan？哎，快点把头像拿出来，不许假装 Jordan。OK，everybody， are you ready？ Okay, Alice,
Yes,
are you ready?
ready.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, go. Alice，时间了。那艾伦诺的妈妈不做，太差了。 说完了吗？还有1分钟啊！哎，妈妈，你为什么不做？坏人。什么声音啊？Jordan，你是不是在旁边听什么东西呢？
我哥哥在上，
OK，everybody。
我哥哥
啊你
也在上数学课。
哦，你哥哥上那么多数学课呢？OK，好，Jordan。Did you finish? Everybody, please put down your pencil and tell me how many questions you did, okay? 5 minutes is up. Okay, 发给老师了吗？ Okay, I have received you. Okay. Oh, there's 2 Jordan. Alexander, you're getting better. Great job. Okay, compare with yourself, you're getting better. Jordan, 还没有 back to the best one. Okay, so how about you, Jordan? 哦，都叫 Jordan Q 啊。哦，没有，这个中间有空格。Amelia, you didn't send it to me yet. Okay.
I did.
Okay, I got it.
I was
Okay, so
texting.
boys and girls, so we're going to, I am going to set a requirement for every one of you, okay? Instead of tell the entire class, I'm going to send it to you by chat. Okay, that means for the next week, I would like to see Alexander. I'm going to send it to you, okay? So Alexander. So first I'm going to give it to Jordan Q. So this is a question I would like to hear, like to see. And Alexander, I would like to see this number. And another Jordan Q, I would like to see this number. And for this Jordan, oh, sorry. Yeah, this Jordan, I would like to see this number. Is it okay, everybody? Okay, so this is my requirement. I would like to see, I always said, oh, it's okay, you just compare with yourself. So right now I just set a little bit target for you. Is it okay? Okay, I have received one of them, send it to me, okay. Can you send it to me, okay? That means we're promised to each other. And that's a good relationship. Okay, so I'm waiting for everybody to send me to okay. Only Jordan, real Jordan, and Amelia Jordan, Alexander Jordan. Can you send it to me?
Send what?
Voice, send to me. Say okay. Are you agreed with me? The number you can do it.
Do what?
Did you see the number I sent it to you?
Yes.
Yeah, so are you agreed next time you're going to have this number give it to me?
Okay.
Okay, good. Alexander, are you promised me? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Okay, so I remembered we have this one before, right? So only Anna doesn't know this one how to do it. The rest of you should know how to do the Gauss problem, right? So you have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way to 100, how to do it. I don't know if you still remember, but we're going to review it first, okay? So first of all, everybody, I would like you to calculate 2 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8 plus 12 plus 14. And a 1 plus 2. I think this one is missing 1. Missing 1 plus 4. Okay, so A and B, I want you to first calculate it and send me the answer.
Wait, so how does it work?
I'm going to tell you first, later. How about you just to try to find out yourself first?
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, so everybody, I would like to just tell you what is I thinking, okay? So I have received Jordan and Jordan send it to me the answer, okay? So I don't know, just a lot of Jordan, right? So let's take a look at this one, Anna. So we have 2. So first of all, I want you to put them into order. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14, correct? Alexander, did you get it? Alexander, you know what? I can see your mom better than see you. Can you just maybe take off the background thing? Because I really cannot see you. This is really hard for me. Okay, I don't care. Like you can, Jordan is even bringing a basketball and he's having math class. It doesn't matter. Okay, but the thing is I need to see you. Get it, Alexander? Okay.
You can actually bring a basketball? Yes.
Yeah, but the thing is Jordan already gave me the answer. And Jordan, you're still watching me, correct, Jordan?
Hmm?
Are you still watching the class? You're still in the class, right?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So let's take a look at this one. So we can do 2 plus 14, 4 plus 12, 6 plus 10, and 8. Everybody, did you notice that 2 plus 14 equals 16, and 4 plus 12 equals 16, and 6 plus 10 equals 16, and all of them are the same, correct, Jordan?
Yes.
But Jordan, put down the basketball, put down the basketball, okay? I want to show you something different than before. Hey, everybody, did you notice that 8 is exactly the half of 16? Did you notice that? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right, Anna? So we can have 1 plus 5 equals what? 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. And middle number 3, and 3 is exactly half of the 6.
Oh, I get it now.
Okay, yeah, you get it now. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, Jordan, do you still remember we have learned average? We have learned average long time ago, but let's just think about it. Okay, Jordan, if you're still looking at outside, you're not going to learn how to do today's class. I can show you. I can promise you. You learn really good, Jordan. But we're learning new. We're learning something new. Okay. So let's see. How to calculate the average. I give you 1, 2, and 3. So Amelia, can you tell me how to calculate the average of 1, 2, and 3?
1 plus 3 equals 4, and 4 plus 2 equals 6.
Mm-hmm. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6, right? And 6 divided by what equals their average?
2.
No, how many numbers are there? Very good. Okay, so we're just to learn the average, everybody. The average is just putting every number plus them together and divided by how many numbers? If you have 3 numbers, so 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Get it, Alexander?
Yes.
Alexander's mom, could you please just let Alexander sit closer, or at least I can see him is nodding hands, or just to give me any feedback or whatever. Yeah, okay, he's nodding hands, okay? Because, you know, Alexander, you're just sitting on the left lower side of the screen. And on my screen, your whole face is covered by your name. Because the name is showing up exactly on the lower left side.
That's the same
Yeah,
thing
so
how I
but
see.
yeah, but the thing is Anna is very close to the screen, so I can see her still like nodding hands and everything. It's really hard for me, okay? So let's take a look at the next one, okay? Jordan, Alexander, and Sherry, and Anna, and Amelia. So if I give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I give you 5 numbers. And can you tell me what is the average of these 5 numbers? How do we do it? We plus them
Plus them
together
together and divide the number of numbers
by what?
by how many
By
numbers there are.
how many numbers? Can you tell me?
5.
Very good. So we plus them together and we divide it by 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Very good. 15. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Okay. So now everybody, for 1, 2, 3, the average is 2. It's exactly the middle number. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you plus them together equals 15. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Exactly, again, equals the middle number. Understand, Jordan?
Yes.
Okay, if you understand, I'm going to give you more questions to practice, okay? So if I give you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, can you tell me the average of these numbers? And if I give you 1, 4, 4, 7, and 10, can you tell me what is the average of them? No, 0. Okay, everybody. First one, the first one and second one's average. Do you understand, Anna? How to do it? Just plus them together. Yes, very good.
I sent you the first one.
Mm-hmm.
I sent you both. Scary, can I go to the washroom?
Of course.好了，我老师要来开始讲了，我已经收到答案了，OK? So, Alexander, I want to ask you if we want to calculate the average, so first of all, we need to plus them together, right? So 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals what? Equals 20. So 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So the average number is 4. 哦，又一样了，对不对？小朋友看到了没有？又一样了啊。那我们来看下面一个。So 0 plus 4 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 equals 25. So Anna, let me ask you a question. Is 25 divided by 4 or 25 divided by 5 in order to find out the average?
25 divided by 5?
Why it is 5?
Because there are 5 numbers.
Yes, very good. Very good. Who said it? Even one
Me.
of them is 0. 0, you still need to divide it by 5 because they are all together 5 numbers. So 25 divided 5 equals 5. Okay, so now, boys and girls, I want you to think about one thing, okay? Why some number, the average equals the middle number. Some number, the average is not middle number. I want everybody to think about this. Jordan, can you tell me? This is very good. I'm looking forward. You know the answer. Could you please put on the everything playing? Just put it on. Thank you. Can you tell me?
The first one is like add by 1, like every one of every number is 1 bigger.
Why? Yes, they are what? Everybody? They are what? They are continuous.
But the second one isn't really.
It's not very good. Thank you, Jordan. So everybody, I want you to give me the average by without calculating. And plus, Jordan, did you notice that? It's always all the number of the numbers. It's either 3 numbers, 5 numbers, or 7 numbers. So if you see it's all the number of the numbers and they are continuously number, consistent number, do you have to calculate it anymore? Because they're always the middle number is their average. For instance, I give a number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who can tell me what is the average of this number without calculating? Tell me.
5.
Very good. Thank you, Jordan. Get it? Everybody? Okay, so if we have another one, everybody, is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Can you tell me what is the average of this number?
5?
Also 5. Okay, I know they're not 1, 1, 1, 1. The difference is 1. But the thing is, you see, their difference is what? It's
Has to
2.
be continuous.
It doesn't matter. Still like that.
Okay.
Understand? Understand, Alexander? Hello? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I give you some questions, okay? So this time, you don't need to calculate. Just give me the answer directly, okay? So 4, 8, 12. Tell me the average number. Anna?
8.
Very good. Good job, okay? So Amelia, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Could you please tell me the middle number? Sorry, I'll tell you. The average number is what?
40?
Very good. Good job. Okay, 40 is the average number. Okay, next one. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and 54, and 72. 63. Okay, so everybody. Okay, so who can tell me what is the average number for these numbers? Alexander. Alexander.
36.
Very good.
36.
36. Good job. Good job. 36. Alexander, very good. Okay, last one.
I said that.
Alexander 也说了。Okay, last one. Amelia, can you tell me what is the average number for these ones?
300.
Very good. Get it, everybody? Okay, so now let's learn something harder, okay? Amelia, if I tell you, okay, if I tell you the first number of the set of the number is 4, okay? And the average for this number is 6. Okay? And there are altogether 5 numbers. Can you tell me what are they? First number is 4. There are altogether 5 numbers. The average of these numbers is 6. What are they?
2, 5.
It's the first one is already 4.
Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understand, Amelia? Because I have already told you the first one is 4, right, Anna? Alexander, right? And I have told you there are altogether 5 numbers. So everybody, I want you to put 5 numbers on the paper. First number is 4, correct, Jordan?
Yes.
Okay, so now, and I know the average is 6. So I know the middle number is 6. Can you tell me? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get it? Okay,
Yes.
so I'm going to give you the second one, okay? There are altogether 7 numbers. So how do we do this? First one, we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? There are altogether 7 numbers, okay? So boys and girls, if we have 7 numbers here, so what's next one is I want to tell you the first number is 5. Okay, so everybody, if you see this one, you're going to put a 5 here, correct? Okay,
Yes.
and I'm going to tell you the average of this number is 20. So you just to put 20 in the middle, correct? Okay, so what is the rest of the number? Can you fill it up, Anna? They are continuously and consistency, right?
Is
So
it
think
counting by
about it.
5s?
Very good, good job. Can you tell me what are they?
10.
Mm-hmm.
And then
15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Very good. Good job, Anna. Give me 5.
what?
Good job. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now I'm going to give you the second. Okay. So there are 11 continuously numbers. Okay. The middle one is 15. Can you tell me the sum of these 11 numbers? Okay, everybody think about it. This time I'm asking you different things. I tell you the middle number, and I tell you their continuously number, and I want you to tell me what is the sum of these 11 numbers.
55.
15. Not
Hmm?
5, it's 15. Jordan, 你的眼睛肯定是坏
I
了。
said the sum.
对啊，重新做一下。好，有没有人做好的？想一想，哎呀，已经有人在画画了，不可以啊，不可以画画啊。OK，小朋友们想想看，那我们再来看看啊。So the middle number, when it is a continuously number, the middle number equals average, correct, Jordan?
Yes.
Alexander, do you understand? Because we have 1, 2, and 3. So the middle number also equals average. So this is a continuously number as well. So there are 11 of them. So let's take a look at this one. If it's only 3, and we know 2 is average, also the middle number, I want to ask you, how do you find out 2 is average? You plus all of them and divide it by 3, right? So if you want to know the sum of them, you're just using the middle number or average number times the 3, then you get the sum. Get it, everybody? We have learned to think of backwards. Amelia, do you still remember? When we have something, we divide it by 3 equals 2. And in order to find out this number is 2 times 3, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, so if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the middle number is also the average is what? Is you plus them all together and divided by 3. 5 equals 3, correct?
Yes.
Correct,
Yes.
everybody? Okay, so in order to find out the sum, how do we do it? The middle number or average times how many numbers are there? Okay, so we already know for this number, there are 15. The middle number is 15. And we have 11 numbers. So what is the sum? What is the sum of all these 11 numbers? How to do it? I'm already give you enough. Yeah, you can do it. 如果 middle number 是2，我去把2乘以3，对不对？有几个数我就乘以几。middle number 是3呢 ，average 是3呢，我就把这个3去乘以5，那就是 sum。那我现在的 middle number average 是几啊？What is the middle number or average for this question?
15.
15. And how many numbers are there?
11. 11.
Very good. 15 times 11 equals what? 啊，这个忘了，学过的。When any number times 11, you put 1 here, you put 5 here.
165.
Yeah, 100. 对呀，我要哭了啊，都白教了，是不是啊？对不对？你看，Eleanor 的妈妈肯定还记得，对不对？Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. So we're going to do 2 questions at the same time, okay? So there are 5 numbers. Okay, so 好，有没有小朋友在纸上面已经5个框框画好啦？有没有5个框框画好啦？Okay, so you have to put, when you see people tell you there are 5 numbers, and the average of these numbers is 7. Okay, could you tell me each number plus together equals what? Okay, so there another question is the first of 3 numbers is 2. Okay, so the sum of these 3 numbers is 30. Can you tell me what is the other 2 numbers? Okay, so boys and girls, your turn.
These are like different questions, right?
There are 2 questions.
Okay.
我看看有哪个小朋友做好了，告诉老师啊。
Okay, I finished.
Okay, good. 做好了以后发给老师啊。
I sent it to. I have no idea on the first one. Can I use the washroom?
Yeah, of course. Okay. Jordan 啊，快点快点，他去上厕所了，等他上完厕所吧。别的小朋友加油啊，看清楚题目。OK， 好 ，Alexander， 还有 Amelia， 还有 Anna， 你们的答案呢？都不会做吗？Okay, so let's take a look at this one. There are 5 numbers. The average of these numbers are 7. So how do we find out the average? The average is all the numbers plus together and divided by all the number plus divided by 5, right? And equals 7.
7 times 5.
So my question is the sum of all these numbers. 好 ，Jordan 说5、6、7、8、9，你说他对不对？不对啊 I didn't ask you what are they. I just asked you what is the sum of them. So the sum of them is 5
35.
equals 35. Get it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Sum of these 3 number is 30. And we have 2 here. So that means these 3 numbers plus together is what? Is
30.
30. Very good. So that means these 2 equals what?
10 and 18.
Yes, it's just a 30 minus 28. Understand? Sorry, 30 minus 2 equals 28. Understand, everybody? So the thing
Yeah.
is, I just want you to have the ability to understand. So all the numbers is different. All the numbers is separate. But when we're talking about the sum, basically, you just plus them together, okay? So for instance, I have all these numbers plus together, okay, equals what? Equals 30, okay, Jordan? If I tell you this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and what are these 2 numbers equals to? Amelia?
These numbers are equal to 24.
Very good. Okay, so for these questions, if I give you a little bit harder, okay, I said the average of the first 3 number is 2. What is the average? What is the sum of these 2 numbers? So 小朋友说，老师这个我不会啊。So let me just ask you, okay? So how to calculate the average? The average of these 3 numbers is these 3 numbers plus together and divided by 3 equals 2, right? So then
Yeah.
you tell me what is the sum of these 3 numbers?
6.
Very good. And how can you tell me what is the answer of these 2? Still 24. Understand? So for one question, I have a lot of different ways of describing. Okay, so now let me just to give you another way, okay? Okay, I'm going to change this one into 4, everybody. So the average of these 3 numbers is 4. And can you tell me these 2 numbers plus together equals what?
18.
Very good. Who said 18?
Me.
Good job, Amelia. Very good. Okay. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you another one. Okay. Yeah. So understand. Anna, do you mind turn on the camera? Yeah. Okay. So you cannot turn off the camera anytime. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. So boys and girls, I'm going to change it. Okay. So the average of the first 2 numbers is 4. The average of the 3 numbers is 5. Can you tell me all these 5 numbers plus together equals what?
Okay.
OK， 有小朋友做出来了吗？
No.
没有啊。So let me ask you, if average of these 2 numbers is 4, what is these 2 numbers plus together?
2.
Nah? 4.
Is
Average
it the
is
sum
4.
of? Is it the sum of all 5 of the numbers?
Yeah. You tell me, Anna. So these 2 numbers plus together divided by 2 equals 4. So these 2 numbers plus together equals what?
8.
Very good. So these 3 numbers plus together divided by 3 equals 5 because it's the average, right? So can you tell me these 3 numbers plus together equals what?
15.
Very good. So I want you to tell me these 5 numbers plus together equals what? Is it 8 plus 15 equals
23.
23? Understand, everybody? Jordan? Alexander, understand? Okay, so if you understood, we're going to do another one, okay? So these 4 numbers plus together, and the average is for these 4 number is 8. And the last number is 4. Can you tell me all together they equals what?
Does it have to be continuous?
No, I didn't say anything. I want the sum. You don't have to tell me exactly what are they. I just want to know 5 numbers plus together equals what?
Okay. Okay, send it right.
Okay, 有人做出来了吗？ Okay, so these 4 numbers, Amelia, can you tell me these 4 numbers plus together equals what?
These 4 numbers plus together equals.
Yeah, so these 4 numbers plus together divided by 4 equals 8. Did you get it? So can you tell me these 4 numbers equals what?
32.
32. Very good. So 4 numbers plus 1 number. So the sum is what?
36.
36. Understand, everybody? Alexander, do you know why it is divided by 4? Because average is all the sum plus together and it divided by how many numbers are there. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's take a look at the last one. Okay, it's not the last one. Like we're still so 1, 2, 3, 3 number. The average of the first 3 numbers is 11. Okay, the sum of the last 2 number is 50. Can you tell me the sum of the whole entire 5 numbers? Okay, boys and girls, this time you have to send me the answer by chat.
Okay. Just gonna send it to you.
Already did it?
Yes.
我看看你做的对不对啊？啊，已
Hey,
经
what's
知
the,
道
the
啊
last
，Jordan 已
two
经做错了啊，已经做错了，你看看清楚啊，题目要读。
I made five.
Amelia 做错了，Amelia 题目看清楚。
I don't understand the last 2 ones.
Yeah, so the average of these 3 numbers is 11. The
Yeah.
sum of these 2 numbers is 50. What is the sum of 5 numbers?
This is 5.
50. Okay, I have received Alexander's. Alexander, 看看你计算有没有计算错啊？Jordan. Okay, so congratulations, Jordan. You get it right. Good job. And Amelia and Alexander just a little bit wrong. Okay, good job, Alexander. Thank you. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so JZ, let me ask you. You have 3 numbers, and average of these 3 numbers is 11. Could you please tell me these 3 numbers plus together equals what? How to calculate average? If these 3 numbers plus together and divided by 3 equals
33.
very good. So equals 33 because 11 times 3. Okay, so Amelia, why you're making mistakes? Because you thought, because the first question is average. This one must be average as well. So you're using 50 times 2, correct?
Yeah.
It's already, I told you, these 2 numbers plus together equals 50. So the sum will be 50 plus 33 equals 83. Good job. Okay, so now let's take a look at the next one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 numbers altogether, okay? And
What the average?
these 3 numbers with the average of 21. Okay? And these 4 average is 16. Can you tell me what is the average of these 7 numbers? 好，7个数的平均值，前面3个数的平均值是21，后面4个平均数是16。I want you to tell me the average of these 7 numbers. 小朋友们想好了？认真算啊，不要又算错了，好不好？嗯。
好，做好了吗？Jordan，是那个叫什么？我们看看那个 Amelia 的妈妈啊，Amelia 的妈妈那个屁股肯定是要打一打啊，反正是还老是说他什么，哎呀，有些人题目看的不清楚啊，有些人题目不读的，他根本眼睛是画的，他自己眼睛从小画到大。批斗 Evelyn 妈妈，哎呀，OK，好，我们来看看啊，但是我们要表扬啊，除了 Sherry 同学，没有一个人交答案给我，你们都在干什么？啊，Jordan，你再玩，你再玩，我跑到你家来打你屁股了，快点！都是玩溜溜球，快点，不许再玩了！我告诉你妈妈去了啊，我去挑拨离间了啊。The average
So
of
no 125 divided by 7.
yes, very good, good job. 啊，对了，很好。So Jordan get the right answer. Good job, Jordan. 那你干嘛不发给我啊？啊，来，我们问问啊，艾伦诺的妈妈啊，为什么做错啦？你什么地方做错啦？
因为在烧饭，
烧饭，因为在烧饭也
人是不可以一心二用的，同学们。
OK，
好好听
小朋友听。
老师讲。
对呀，OK，那好了，Alexander 自己题目没有把答案给我，去把猫抱过来了，什么人嘛，真是不行。OK，小朋友们，So let's take a look at this one. Amelia, Anna, okay? So why does 127 over 7? Because the average of this 21 equals what? Equals these three numbers plus together. Divided by what, Anna?
Divided by 3.
Very good. 那你告诉我这三个数字加起来等于多少？
63.
63. Very good. Okay, next one.
Well, I got it by 21. 64.
Next one is 16 times 4, 64. Very good. So 63 plus 64 equals what? 127.
127.
Very good. So altogether, how many numbers are there?
7.
5 numbers. 7 numbers. Very good. So 127 divided by 7 equals 127 over 7. Okay, get it? Okay, so now let's take a look at today's last question, okay? 那有些小朋友说，老师，我不喜欢画圈圈。It's okay, we can just do a line. As long as you know how many numbers are there, it is fine, okay? So this is the last question. Of course, it's going to be the hardest one, okay? So all together, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers, okay? So I want to ask you,
5.
the average number for the first 3 is 21. The average for the last 3, 看好了. First 3 is 21, and the last 3 is 30. Can you tell me what is the middle number? Everybody, I want you to tell me what is the middle number? Middle number. 它 average 21，那也就是说这三个数字加起来等于多少？等于21啊。不对，Sorry， I 说错了 ，sum。The sum of these three numbers 21. Sorry, the sum of these three 都是那个那个叫什么 Eleanor 的妈妈对影响我，然后我又把 sum 和 average 说错了。So the sum of the three numbers 21. The sum of these three numbers is 30, and they are continuously.
What does continuously mean?
Continuously mean that the differences
Like
of
1, 2,
number is
3.
the same. No, these three number is continuous and these three number is continuous. Okay, so they're not all together. 5 of them are not continuous. These three are continuous. These three are continuous. Understand?
So did I get the question right?
No, it's
Oh.
sum. It's not average. You need to think
Oh.
about it again. So let me tell you, okay? So if the sum of these three numbers is 21 and they are continuous, that means the middle number is 7, correct?
Yes.
Correct? Okay, and if the sum of these three number is 30, and I know the middle number for these three should be 10, correct?
Yes.
And if you take a look at this one will be what? 6 and 8, and 8 and 12. If you calculate it, they're 30. This is 21. So it is right. So the middle number is 8. Understand, everybody? Okay,
Yes.
you can guess a little bit. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so 今天挺好的。我们 Alexander 我又看到了他的猫，对不对？然后 Alexander 今天也主动的说了3句话，太不容易了。Okay, so Jordan, for you, I think you're learning everything really good. But if you could just 给老师点面子嘛，对不对？啊，一上课的时候打完篮球玩悠悠球，那怎么办呢？啊，人家不知道的还以为你是那个，对啊，屁股是要打的，对不对？啊，你看，你看，听到没有？我要告诉你妈妈，今天最后一次了，再这样，我们哦，有，厉害死了，厉害死了，真是啊！再表演一个吧，再表演一个，再表演一个，再给你表演一个。哦，好厉害！刚才这次没有刚才好，有点紧张了。
这个线有点乱。
缠住了是吧？啊，
How long have you been practicing?
那我们下一节课可以给小朋友们每个人1分钟的时间表演才艺，但是在上课的时候，我们能不能不玩 Jordan 好不好？好不好 ？Okay, so that's it for today's class. We're learning really good. Okay, so everybody, we're gonna see each other next week. Okay, bye bye.
Do we have homework?
Bye bye. Yes, we have homework. Yes, we have homework.
What kind? What kind? What kind?
What kind
Is
of
the
有
same
趣
one
的
as
你
this?
没有不一样的，和这个不一样的。
Oh.
Okay. Okay, bye bye.